After facing the frustrating problem of a computer getting stuck and spending extensive time exploring different solutions, I finally uncovered multiple effective strategies to resolve system startup issues, and I am eager to share these with you right now. The first approach focuses on system integrity. Booting into a recovery environment lets us repair core operating system files or correct bootloader issues. This fixes the fundamental software problems preventing your system from starting correctly. Next, we address display-related failures. Reinstalling graphics drivers ensures your computer has the right software to talk to your display hardware. Outdated or corrupt drivers are a common cause of black screens, and this step resolves that communication breakdown. Then, we look at the storage itself. Checking the disk for errors identifies and fixes bad sectors or file system damage. If your computer can't read crucial boot files, it simply won't start. This ensures all necessary data is accessible. Finally, we ensure everything is up to date. Updating system packages resolves software conflicts and applies critical bug fixes. An outdated system can easily lead to instability and boot loops, so this step brings everything into harmony. This video delivers the ultimate Bazzite OS black screen boot loop fix PC 2026.